Hello everybody, today for repairing another power supply. I haven't seen those before, 1200 watts, and as you can see here is an additional cable and it goes to this unit, and this is something like LCD for remote control or something like this. I don't know where you should put it, probably in your computer somewhere, but this is quite interesting to be repaired. The seal probably is okay, at least it looks like. Let's check it together. I've already checked it myself, but I want to show you how it's behaving. Let's connect the power via isolating transformer, connect my tester, DIY tester, which I should do video about someday, but I don't have time and I don't have enough audience to check that video. Okay, as you can see, the capacitor charged, but when I turn it on, the lamp stays on, and it means that there is a problem somewhere, maybe at the primary, maybe at the secondary. Looks like something is shorted. By the way, the screws are not common. It's like a star, or I don't know how to call it correctly. That's the inside. It's very dirty. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt. Probably that power supply was used in mining with graphic cards, and it was located somewhere outside, because I don't think that in somebody's apartment that you can see a lot of dirt like this. Okay, let's remove the PCB, check the voltage on the capacitors. Sometimes there is no bleeding resistor, discharging resistor, and that can be dangerous. Let's check the MOSFETs at the primary. Those looking good. These are MOSFETs for PFC section, and those looking good as well. Let's check the output, and at the output, as you can see, main 12 volts line is shorted. Actually, I should do that right away before opening the power supply. As you can see, it's almost always 12 volts line is shorted on those power supplies, because this is the main line. Main heat is on that line, and in order to remove the radiator, I will sprinkle some solder removal liquid, and by gently pushing it, I will remove the radiator. Because I'm kidding, everyone who is in repair business knows the secret how to remove that big radiator. It takes some time and some nerves, but you can do it. Let's check the transistors. One or two of those are bad. This one looking good. Good. good, good, no. It looks like this one, yeah. This one is definitely bad. And there is 3 of on that side. Good, good, and good. So only one transistor is faulty, and that is the one that was close to the transformer. Probably it wasn't good cooled, and that's why it died. Yeah, should replace it. And I want to show it to you closer. Maybe it died because of that amount of dirt that was on this one. As you can see, it's definitely not helping to remove the heat. I think power supplies have to be cleaned, probably with air blower or something like this, maybe once a year, in order not to have those dirt and heat related problems. This time I'm using some alcohol and a brush. I think vacuum cleaner would also do the job. A brush and a vacuum cleaner would be okay. Right, let's dry it, the excess. And after that, let's find a proper replacement. That is the replacement transistor. It's 60 volts, 230 amps, quite powerful, even more powerful than what it was. And also don't forget to tighten the screws, because they're loose a little bit. Maybe that's why, that one of the reason why that transistor died, because of the loose screw, dirt, bad heat removal, and stuff like that. Okay, I soldered everything back. Let's clean it now. The excess flux, just in order it was looking better. Of course, it's not necessary. This flux is rosin, and rosin does not necessarily need to be removed, but why not? And now we are ready to test it. Let's use the same tester, obviously. Isolating transformer, and the lamp blinked as before, and I shunted the lamp, and as you can see, it's working. My transformer didn't give enough power, but I know that now it is working, because there is no more problems with the power supply. Don't forget to discharge the bulk capacitor, and after discharging we can put everything back and try one more time. Okay, I put everything back, and as you can see, the power supply runs. My tester takes about 7 watts. If that LCD display is showing the right value. Let's get another tester this one, and also I want to connect my load. It's about 500 watts. I have another load which is 1000, and I use those loads for checking the mining power supplies for 1500 watts. But here is, as you can see, 1 watt is taken by that tester. So let's see, let's connect my load just to make it more visible for you. I have 2 loads inside, 200 and 200 plus, so it's about 450 in total. Let's connect 200 first. And as you can see, it shows 205, which is about right. And now I connected 200 more, and yeah, 400 watts. It is about right. So I don't know whether you need it or not, but it is there. And let's check what it can do. We can regulate the fan speed. As you can see, this is 1700 and 1000. It shows voltage 12, 3.35. Okay, this is quite interesting in my opinion, and we saved it. If you like it, give it a like, and see you next time. Bye.